Hello. So in this video, we are going to see how Odoo GLS Finland shipping integration will works. So we divided this video in three parts. First is some brief information and some services related things I will mention and I will explain you. After that, second is configuration part and third one is integration part. So we'll start with some brief information about GLS Finland. So GLS Finland shipping integration offers reliable shipping solutions. So with using this integration, you can connect with GLS shipping carrier with Odoo. So you can perform various operations like export your order from Odoo to GLS Finland, generate shipping labels, track your shipment. Okay, so you don't need to go to GLS Finland dashboard to perform all these operations, but instead of it, you can perform all these operations from Odoo only, right? So now I will show you some details regarding some services, additional services, and URLs. So in our integration, we covered these type of Finland services which they provided. So you can select any of the above. So these are the services: Euro Business Parcel, Euro Business Freight, Global Business Parcel, and Global Express Parcel. So you can select your service as per your requirement. After that, some additional services GLS Finland provide. So these are the additional in the insurance service, flex delivery service, and email pre-advice. Okay, and this is the API URL which you need to mention in your configuration. And after that, if we discuss about GLS Finland service availability, so in that we can say that GLS Finland is available in domestic to domestic shipping and also domestic to international shipping. Okay, so these all details are regarding some information. So now we move ahead to our configuration part. So in configuration, there are two type of configuration. First is company level configuration, and second is shipping method level configuration. So we start with company configuration. So we go to settings menu, in that users and companies. So in that, in your company, when you go inside, you will find this tab GLS Finland configuration. So you need to go into this tab, and while you selecting this checkbox, you will find these all details here. So in that, you have to enter API URL, customer number, API key, and tracking URL. So these all details you will get from your shipping provider. Okay. So these details you don't need to enter every time. This is one time configuration. Okay. So after that, we will discuss shipping method level configuration. So in sales menu, in configuration, there are shipping method menu. So in that, we already created one record regarding GLS Finland. So when you open this, when you click on this record, you will find that when you're creating new record, you will find GLS Finland as a provider. So we given one option, GLS Finland. So when you are selecting this provider, you will find this tab over here, GLS Finland configuration. So in that tab, you have to enter these details. So regarding company, you need to select that company in which you set all the credentials regarding GLS Finland. After that, this is default packet type. So this will use in we can say that when you are creating package or when you're creating export the order, that type then type it will help. Okay, so one two more things regarding GLS Finland service. So as per your requirement, we already discussed that you can select your GLS Finland service, and after that there are some additional services, so you can select as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the we can say that configuration part, and now we move ahead to integration part. So we create new sell order, selecting customer. So this customer right now it belongs to Finland, and adding some product and set quantity to 3. And if you want to select shipping service from sale order, then you have to click on this button, add shipping. So when you are selecting or click on this button, you will find this pop-up, and in this pop-up shipping method you have to select your shipping service. So as of now, GLS Finland is doesn't provide any live shipping rate, so you don't need to click on this button. Instead of it, you will just need to click on this add button. So this shipping service record is added. So now we confirm the sale order. So delivery order is created. So GLS Finland is also provided or supported multi-parcel services. So if your requirement is like you need to send your shipment in multi-package or multi-parcel, then you can able to do this thing from our shipping module. Okay, so for that you have to you will need this button over here, put in pack. But I will show you that how you can get this button if you are not visible. So you have to go to configuration and settings, and in that you have to search packages. So in inventory section you will find this packages checkbox. So when you are clicking on this checkbox, you will find this button over here. Okay, and one more thing, if we click on put in pack, there are asking for delivery packet type. So if you want to set some packages by defaultly, then you have to configure some packages. So for that, you have to go to inventory menu, in that configuration, and there are packages types. So in that you have to create some packages earlier, and when you're creating new package, you have to enter GLS Finland as a carrier. So in those records, when you entering GLS Finland as a carrier, these all packages which will comes here in a list of drop down. Okay, so you have to enter details and have to set carrier as a GLS Finland. Okay, so before click on this button, you have to enter quantity first. So for example, there are three total quantities, so we divide one and two. So in one parcel we enter one quantity and click on put in pack and selecting package. So I'm selecting this package one as of now and just save. So you can see that in first quantity package is assigned. So now rest of the quantity we will send in another parcel. So two, again click on put in pack, and now we're selecting pack 2 and just save. So you can see that packet 6 and packet 7 is assigned to these both quantity. If you want to use multi-parcel, then and then you have to perform these operations. Otherwise, if you want to send in a single packet, then you can perform, you can we can say that enter full quantity and just validate your order. Okay, so at the time of validate order, we will export order to from Odoo to GLS Finland. At that time, we export details regarding sender, receiver, product, package, and etc. Okay, so I'm just click on this validate button. So at that time, validate will export order, and in return, GLS Finland will provide tracking reference number and shipment label. So you can see the tracking reference number we get from GLS Finland, and tracking we can say that shipping label. So when you click on this shipping label, you will see that one or two labels we get because we used functionality of multi-package. So you can see that weight, package dimension over here, and all the details. So this is first label, and if we scroll down, you will find second label. So based on the package, you will get the label. Okay, and one more functionality is regarding tracking. So if you want to track your parcel from Odoo, so you will find this button over here when you validate your order. So this is the tracking button. So when you click on this button, it will redirect to GLS Finland, and you can enter your parcel number here and you can track your parcel. So okay, so These all are the details regarding GLS Finland, and cancel is not providing as of now from GLS Finland. So this service is not available as of now, but which all I mentioned or which you explained, these all are the details regarding GLS Finland. Thank you.